Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this part of the video, I'm going to walk you through not only how to convert your Revolut Points from the Revolut app into airline miles, but also the other ways you can redeem them, whether you're planning your next trip or just want to get more value out of your spending. This is something you'll definitely want to know. First, let's start with converting your Rev Points into airline miles. Open up the Revolut app on your phone and head to the Rev Points section. You'll usually find this under the Lifestyle tab, depending on your app layout. Once you're in, tap on Miles. Here, you'll see a list of airline loyalty programs you can connect to. Popular ones include Flying Blue, Avios, and several others depending on what's available in your region. Choose the program you actually use or plan to use. Next, enter your account details for that airline program. This is super important. Make sure your membership number, your name, and all other details are accurate. If they don't match exactly, your transfer might not go through. Now decide how many Rev Points you want to convert into miles. You can transfer all of them or just a portion. It's completely up to you. Some programs might have a minimum transfer requirement, so keep an eye on that. Once you've entered the amount, tap Confirm. The app will process your request, and your points will be sent to your chosen airline program. Transfers can be almost instant, but sometimes they take a couple of days depending on the airline. And that's it now. You know how to turn your everyday spending into airline miles, travel perks, or even shopping discounts, all from your phone. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy finance and travel tips, and let me know in the comments how you'll be using your Rev Points. Who knows, you might discover a new redemption hack from other viewers. 2.